Reasons why your claim for Social Security disability benefits could be denied in error. Most claims for Social Security disability benefits, almost 2/3, are denied initially. However, the majority of claimants who stick it out through an appeal win. There are many possible reasons for an erroneous denial, including missing evidence. The initial disability determination is based on your application and your medical records. Your application may not have provided enough details about your impairment or a complete list of all your doctors, medications, and treatments. Your disability examiner may not have been able to collect all your medical records. Doctors aren't always responsive, and disability examiners don't always have enough time to follow up. Excessive focus on the listing of impairments. Initial decision makers often rely heavily on the listing of impairments, especially when the claimant is under 50. The listing of impairments is a list of medical conditions that are presumed to be disabling. If you are under 50 and your impairment does qualify under a listing, your claim is likely to be denied. But the listing of impairments is only one way to establish disability. You are also disabled if you can't do your past relevant work, or other work that exists in substantial numbers in the national economy. Inaccurate RFC assessment. Your RFC, or residual functional capacity, may have been overestimated. RFC is the most strenuous level of work that you can do. For example, you may have been given an RFC for light work, but you are actually limited to sedentary work. A correct RFC assessment, especially if you are 50 or older, may mean you are disabled. Inaccurate assessment of your past jobs. The initial decision makers may have incorrectly concluded that you can still do a former job because they underestimated how demanding that job actually was. Failure to consider all impairments, symptoms, and limitations. People who get disability benefits initially tend to have problems that can be measured by medical tests. Pain, fatigue, headaches, and mental illness are harder to measure, so people with these real problems are routinely denied benefits until they appeal. If your claim is denied, and any of these reasons could apply to you, you should appeal. Then, find a good disability attorney. Claimants with lawyers have a better chance of winning after a hearing than claimants who represent themselves.